morning students. How are you all? Welcome to the class. Today I am going to teach you a new concept, that is long and short. What is that concept, children? Long and short. Okay. So long. Let us see what is long and what is short first. Okay. Long. So when we see an object and if object length is very high, then it is called as long. When we see one object and its length is very short, means its length is very less, then it is called as short. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ కానీ ఒక థింగ్ కానీ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత మనం దాని యొక్క హైట్ని బట్టి చెప్తాం అనమాట. సో అది లాంగ్ ఆబ్జెక్టా లేదా షార్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్టా అని. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, see, in my hand I had one stick, right? In my hand I had one stick. So height means this is the height, right? This is the height. Then it is long or short. We can't say like long or short, because when we compare two objects, then we can say what is the long object and what is the short object. సో ఇలా మనం ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని తీసుకుని అది లాంగ్ గా ఉందో షార్ట్ గా ఉందో అంటే మనం చెప్పలేం. ఎప్పుడు చెప్పగలం అలాగా? ఎప్పుడైతే మన దగ్గర టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఉంటాయో ఆ టూ ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని కంపేర్ చేసి ఏ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అయితే లెంత్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుందో అప్పుడు దాన్ని మనం లాంగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటాం. ఆ తర్వాత అండ్ దేర్ విల్ బి అనదర్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, రైట్? ఇంకో ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఆ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని కూడా కంపేర్ చేసి దాని లెంత్ తక్కువగా ఉంటే షార్ట్ అంటాం. సో now I will show you one example. See, in my hands two books are there. So comparing to these two books, we can say this is long object and this is short object, because so comparing these two books, this one is long because this one is long object and this one is short object because its length, its height is its length is very high comparing to this book, right? ఈ రెండు ఆబ్జెక్ట్స్ ని తీసుకున్నాము ఇప్పుడు మనం. ఓకే, ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని మనం లాంగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటాం, ఈ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ని మనం షార్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటాం. ఎందుకు? ఈ రెండు కంపేర్ చేస్తే ఈ గ్రీన్ కలర్ బుక్ యొక్క హైట్ అనేది ఎక్కువగా ఉంది కంపేరింగ్ టు దిస్ బుక్. సో అందుకని మనం ఇది లాంగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటాం, ఇది షార్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ అంటాం. సో హౌ వి కెన్ సే వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఎ లాంగ్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఆర్ షార్ట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్? బై కంపేరింగ్ ద హైట్ ఆఫ్ దట్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. ఓకే children, is it clear now? So what is long means long అంటే పొడవుగా ఉన్నదాన్ని లాంగ్ అంటాం. The height of that object is high, then it is called as a long object. Short అంటే ఏంటి? చిన్నగా ఉన్నదాన్ని. When the size of object is small, then we call it as a short object. Okay, let us see some examples, children. See, I am drawing two trees here. Okay, I have drawn two trees here, and in this one object is long object and one tree is long tree and one tree is short tree. Because see, compare these two trees, children. So comparing these two trees, which tree is long tree? This one. So this one is the long tree, this one is the short tree, because the branches, because the height of the tree is very long compared to this tree, right? So comparing to this tree height is very long. So this is the long tree and this is the short tree. So now I am telling in Telugu. ఇక్కడ 2 trees ఉన్నాయి కదా. There is 2 trees. So ఈ 2 trees ని కంపేర్ చేసుకుంటే ఇది లాంగ్ ట్రీ, ఇది షార్ట్ ట్రీ. బికాస్ ఎందుకంటే ఈ ట్రీ అనే దీని యొక్క హైట్ వచ్చేసి ఎక్కువగా ఉంది కంపేరింగ్ టు దిస్ ట్రీ. సో దట్స్ వై అందుకే ఇది లాంగ్ ట్రీ, ఇది షార్ట్ ట్రీ. ఓకే, now I am drawing another diagram. Okay children, now I am drawing 2 bats. You all play with your bats, right? Cricket bats like that. See here, I have drawn 2 bats. Okay, so which one is the long object and which one is the short object? Yes, this one is the long object, this one is a short object. Because the height of this bat is very long. Because the height of this bat is very long. So first compare the height, children. See, this is the height, right? So the height of the first bat is very long comparing to the second one. So first one is the long bat, second one is the small bat. Because this is small, it has small height. It has small height. That's why it is the short bat. And this is the long bat. This is the long bat and this is the short bat. Okay children, now you can identify what is the long object and what is the short object. Okay children, let us, okay, this is about today's long and short concept. Tomorrow we will do activity on the basis of long and short object, children. Okay, let's wait. I will show you some more examples to have you clear understand, children. Okay, see, I told you I will show you some examples, right? See, in my hand I had 2 pads, right? In my hand I had 2 pads. So compare these 2 children and say which object is long object and which object is short object, children. Which object is long object and which object is short object, children? See all of you. This one is the long object. In my right hand, it is the long object. In my left hand, it is the short object. Right? Correct. Because comparing these 2, this has, okay, comparing to these 2, it has long height and it has short height. Right? It has long height and it has short height. So this one is the long item, long object, and this one is the short object. Okay? Okay children? Okay, now I will show you one more object. Okay? See here. In my hand, I had 2 pieces of chalk piece. Right? So in these 2 pieces, which one is long chalk piece and which one is short chalk piece, children? This one is short chalk piece. This one is long chalk piece because the white chalk piece height is very long comparing to the yellow color chalk piece. That's why this is the long chalk piece and this is the small chalk piece. Okay children? All of you understand? Is anyone have doubts? Just call to me. I will clarify you. Okay? Tomorrow we will do small activity on depending on long and short concept, children. Okay children? This is about today's class. All of you have a nice day. Bye children.